Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Chrome audio not working. So first you need to open your Chrome browser and right click on the tab. Then after you can see there is option called mute site. If you see it is mute like this, that means you are not muted. But if you see like this unmute site, that means you are already mute that site. So unmute this one. It should be like this. Okay. Then after right click on this sound icon in the taskbar, tap on open volume mixer. Ensure your Chrome volume is not muted. If you see like this, that means it is muted. If you see like this, it is not muted. And you can change the sound like this. So then close this one. Again tap on three dots, scroll down and go to setting in the Chrome and go to privacy and security. Scroll down and go to site setting. Scroll down and go to additional content setting. You can see sound option here. Tap on it. Make sure it is set as sites can play sound. If you see it like this, you have to change it to like this. So if you see any not allowed site in here, you have to remove those things because those sites cannot allow to play the sound in Chrome. So in this case there are no sites. Now it is okay. Then after close this one and go right click on the taskbar, go to task manager. In the task manager you can see the Google Chrome is here. Tap on end task that. Then after again open the Chrome. It will be close all the current process of the Chrome pages and you can restart the Chrome. Sometimes extension can be reason for the sound not hearing, so you can go to tick on this one, go to extension tab, tap on manage extensions, disable all the extension temporarily like this. Then after try to again the issue is resolved or not, and check is there any update is available in the Google Chrome. Just tap on three dots and scroll down. Tap on help option, tap on about Google Chrome. If you see any latest update in here, you can download that and install, because latest update can be fix the audio related issues. So finally go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, go to sound option. Under the output section, this is input section and this is output. Make sure you are selected right output device for your sound audio. So these are the method you can try to fix the audio not working in the Google Chrome. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.